Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this yummy rice recipe with you guys. Just adding a little bit of oil to my wok, pour in sliced onions, garlic and ginger paste, little bit of salt, bay leaves, curry powder. Just fry it together, add in habanero peppers, sliced habanero peppers, then pour in my grounded beef. Put this together and cook the beef till it's ready. See, my beef is completely fried. Then pour in my green peel, diced carrot, sliced onions, spring onions as well, and diced red bell peppers. Just put this together, fry it for a couple of seconds. Add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce as well. Put it together, add in 1 stock cube. That is it, stock cube. My stock cube is in paste form, so it's going to melt immediately. Add in salt, paprika powder. Put it together. So easy dish and yummy as well. Taste for seasoning, so yummy. Now pour in my kidney beans. This kidney beans is canned kidney beans, so it's cooked already. Put it together, then pour in my boiled rice. This rice I boiled with salt. Then put it all together. My food is ready, and I hope you guys will try this recipe. It's so fast, easy, very easy to put together, and it's yummy as well. Everything in one pot. Just throw in some slices of butter, put it together. Food is ready. And thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next video, and I hope you try this recipe as well. It's so yummy. Bye.